If you are a new goat owner, the information we've shared today can drastically improve your experience. By constructing a suitable shelter, you secure your goats' well-being while laying the groundwork for a thriving herd. Let's go over the essential advantages of having a well-designed goat shelter. It shields them from harsh weather, safeguards against predators, and ensures a clean resting area that boosts their overall health. A shelter isn't merely a structure, it's a crucial aspect of your goat's happiness and welfare. When planning your goat shelter, create an environment that balances comfort and practicality. For example, having a feeding and milking area within the shelter can simplify your daily tasks. This setup gives your goats a designated space, promoting a secure feeding experience with reduced stress. Building a goat shelter can be a fulfilling endeavor that improves their quality of life and strengthens your bond with them. As you take on this project, remember to apply all the insights shared today. Use budget-friendly materials, ensure adequate ventilation, and include protective features. With this knowledge, you are now ready to design a sanctuary for your goats, giving them the safety and comfort they need. Thank you for tuning in, and may your goat-raising journey be rewarding and productive. As you kick off your goat shelter project, let's dive into the specifics of each design. For the basic A-frame shelter, make sure to cut the wooden panels evenly for optimal stability during windy days. The metal roofing not only wards off rain but also reflects sunlight, aiding in keeping the interior cool during hot weather. Be sure to install a small door for easy access, and think about adding vent covers to manage airflow while ensuring security. These practical measures will create a safe haven tailored to your goat's needs. Moving on to the pallet shed shelter, consider creative ways to arrange the pallets. This approach maximizes your space and allows for customization based on your area. Secure the pallets well with nails and reinforce them with fencing wire, ensuring they withstand rough weather or curious goats attempting to escape. A solid roof will protect against rain, while an open design enhances airflow, which is vital for your goat's health and happiness. Your pallet shelter can transform into a cozy refuge with a dash of creativity. As you complete your goat shelter project, remember to monitor your goat's comfort and safety regularly. Look for any signs of damage or wear in your structures and carry out repairs promptly to keep them in excellent shape. Also, observe your goat's behavior. Their interactions with their environment can indicate if adjustments are needed. By taking proactive measures, you foster a healthy atmosphere that supports your goat's overall well-being and joy. As you conclude your goat shelter building experience, know that your dedication to their welfare is paramount in your goat-raising journey. Embrace the challenges, celebrate achievements, and continue educating yourself on optimal goat care practices. Your investment in their shelter today paves the way for a vibrant future for you and your herd. Happy farming, and may your goats thrive in the warm, safe homes you provide. As you reflect on the designs discussed, consider the crucial upgrades that can improve your goat shelter's functionality and comfort. Adding bedding not only offers warmth but also helps absorb moisture, crafting a more welcoming space for your goats. Proper ventilation is essential as it diminishes dampness, which can prevent respiratory issues in your animals. Think about incorporating elevated floors to keep them dry during wet seasons. And don't underestimate the need for predator-proofing your shelter. Sturdy fences and secure locks will ensure peace of mind, providing protection against threats. As you embark on these exciting projects, remember that your goats will thrive in a thoughtfully designed shelter that meets their needs and reflects your commitment. With the right materials and careful designs, you can create inviting and durable spaces that protect and enrich their quality of life. Embrace this chance to bond with your goats throughout the construction process, ensuring they have a comfortable, safe environment to call their own. Happy building, and may your efforts lead to a flourishing goat-raising venture filled with joy and fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this journey of goat shelter construction. As you wrap up your quest for the perfect goat shelter, understand that every effort translates to improved happiness and health for your goats. With love and dedication, your goats will thrive, enhancing your overall goat-raising experience. Happy farming, and here's to countless joyful moments with your herd. When planning your goat shelter, consider how the layout can enhance your goats' daily activities. A designated area for feeding not only streamlines chaotic meal times, but also encourages a calm environment where your goats can enjoy their food without fear of outside disturbances. Incorporating a milking station into the shelter can further improve your routine, allowing for easy access during milking sessions. Ensure this space is clean and equipped with necessary tools to facilitate efficient milking, which ultimately benefits both you and your goats. By thoughtfully arranging these areas, you create a seamless workflow that minimizes stress for everyone involved. As you explore different designs, think about the importance of lighting in your goat shelter. Natural light can have a positive impact on your goat's mood and behavior, so consider placing windows or openings that allow sunlight to pour in. This will not only brighten the interior, but will also help with maintaining a warm environment during cooler months. Additionally, you might want to integrate some artificial lighting for early morning or late evening activities, ensuring your goats feel secure and at ease regardless of the time of day. Creating this inviting atmosphere will contribute significantly to their overall happiness. Furthermore, when selecting materials for your goat shelter, prioritize durability and safety to ensure a long-lasting structure that stands the test of time. Opt for non-toxic paint or treatments to protect the wood and metal components from the elements while maintaining a goat-friendly environment. Inspect all materials before use to guarantee they are free from sharp edges or hazardous substances that could harm your goats. When building, incorporate features such as sloped roofs to facilitate water drainage, preventing any standing water that could lead to leaks or dampness. Lastly, remember to take a step back periodically during construction to assess the overall layout, making any adjustments necessary for optimizing both functionality and comfort aligned with your goat's natural behaviors. As you finalize the details of your goat shelter plan, consider the aesthetic aspect of the structure as well. A visually appealing shelter can enhance your overall farm landscape while providing a comfortable home for your goats. Choose colors and styles that blend well with your surroundings, creating an inviting atmosphere for visitors and a pleasant environment for your herd. Adding personal touches like artwork or signage can further enhance the charm of the shelter. By doing so, you not only contribute to the personality of your farm, but also create a space that reflects your passion and commitment to goat care. Ultimately, the love you put into designing and building the shelter will resonate with your goats, fostering a connection that enriches your shared experiences. Consider integrating additional features like a rainwater collection system to enhance sustainability within your goat shelter. This system can channel rain directly from the roof into storage containers, providing a reliable water source for your goats while reducing reliance on traditional water supplies. Implementing such eco-friendly solutions not only benefits your herd, but also contributes positively to your overall farming practices. Make sure the collected water is filtered properly, ensuring it remains clean and safe for your goats to consume. With this conscientious approach, you foster an environment that prioritizes health and sustainability, paving the way for a more responsible farming journey. As you proceed with the implementation of these ideas, don't overlook the significance of regular maintenance to ensure your goat shelter remains a safe haven for your animals. This includes routine inspections of the roof for leaks, checking the integrity of fencing, and ensuring there are no harmful materials present that could endanger your goats. Your diligence in upkeep will further enhance your goats' happiness and health, allowing them to thrive in their environment. Regular care reflects your commitment and love for them, forging a stronger bond that enriches both your lives and promising a flourishing future for your goat-raising venture. Building a goat shelter is not just about construction. It is a profound commitment to improving the lives of your goats. As you finalize your plans, envision how the space will not only serve its primary function, but also foster a nurturing environment where your goats can feel secure and comfortable. By incorporating simple yet effective design elements, like sheltered resting areas and communal spaces, you invite your goats to thrive within a harmonious setting. Every small detail matters, as it contributes to their overall welfare and happiness, allowing you to cultivate a bond based on trust and understanding. As you embark on this exciting journey of goat shelter creation, remember that the design should align with your goats' natural instincts. Providing ample space for them to roam and interact enhances their social behavior, vital for their mental well-being. Additionally, think about incorporating enrichment items, such as climbing structures or foraging areas, that encourage playful activities, allowing them to express their natural behaviors. By creating an environment that promotes activity and socialization, you not only maintain your goats' physical health, but also nourish their spirits, building a vibrant community within your herd. Your shelter will become more than just a structure. It will be a nurturing hub that reflects the love and care you pour into this rewarding endeavor. Happy building, and may your goats flourish in the welcoming habitat you create. As you reflect on the design features discussed, don't overlook the impact of a safe outdoor area adjacent to your shelter. An enclosed space allows your goats to enjoy fresh air while keeping them secure from potential threats. Consider planting shade-providing plants within this area to create a comfortable retreat during warm days. By allowing your goats to venture outside, you facilitate their natural behaviors, including grazing and social interaction, which are crucial for their well-being. This additional space not only enriches their environment, but also strengthens your bond as you share this joyful experience with them. As you move forward with building your goat shelter, remember to prioritizing the aesthetics of the outdoor space as well. Adding landscaping elements like flower beds or a small garden can enhance the overall beauty of your farm. This approach not only creates a welcoming atmosphere, but also provides responsibilities for your goats, allowing them to explore their surroundings. In conclusion, the journey of building a goat shelter is a testament to your dedication towards ensuring the safety, health, and happiness of your goats. By turning your ideas into reality, you've created a sanctuary that not only meets their needs, but also fosters the bond you share. Happy farming!